Fibrocystic breast disease, effective treatment with ground flaxseed powder. Hi, I'm Dr. James Machino. You know, flax seeds contain 800 times more of these active constituents, just known as SLD and MD, than any other food or grain or cereal. Now, the SLD and the MD have been shown to be very important in the prevention of prostate and breast cancer. But in certain clinical studies, we've seen they've actually reversed fibrocystic breast disease as well. So how does that work? Well, first you have to grind the flax seeds before you swallow them, because the outer shell of the flax seed is so hard that your body's digestive enzymes can't really break it apart. If you can't break it apart, then you can't release the active constituents. So if you grind it first, then the MD and the SLD are available to enter the intestinal tract. And once they do, you have your gut bacteria in the large intestine will metabolize the SLD and the MD and convert them into two really important molecules, enterolactone and enterodiol. And they get absorbed into the bloodstream. And because they look a lot like estrogen, they're able to bind to estrogen receptors, including on the breast tissue. And then once it does that, it tends to stimulate certain signals within the breast cells to slow down the rate of cell division, which is very important. And those molecules from flaxseed binding to the estrogen receptors help to compete with the body's more powerful estrogens on the receptor site, so that your body's more powerful estrogens can't exert such an overpowering effect. All of that slows down the rate of cell division, helps to control this hyperproliferative disease that we call fibrocystic breast disease. So it has a calming effect on the rate of cell division, and that's how you reverse fibrocystic breast disease. It's one of the most important ways. It's also one of the most important ways to reduce your risk of breast cancer long term. So I explain all the details of this in Chapter 2 of my book, The Machino Optimal Living Program, 7 Steps to a Healthy, Fit, Age-Resistant Body. Now you can download that chapter for free at the link below. I'd suggest that you do that. If you're a woman that has fibrocystic breast disease, also known as cystic mastalgia, it's imperative really that you download that chapter and take a look. The chapter is really a must-read. It explains the dosage that you have to utilize to get the maximum efficacy. The chapter also explains the other benefits of using ground flaxseed, how it reduces risk of breast and prostate cancer, prevents gallbladder disease, improves large bowel function, lowers the bad cholesterol. It's all there, so download the chapter, get the details on ground flaxseed. I think you'll be very highly enlightened if you'll read that chapter and learn how to use it in your day-to-day wellness game plan. Now at machinohealth.com, you'll see my other research review papers, footage from my live professional seminars, other downloads, videos, and resources I've created. They're all there for free to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. On my research review papers and professional seminars, I have all the evidence-based information and scientific references there, so you see you're getting solid information from me on any health topic that you're looking for. So you should use machinohealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource of health and wellness information for both you and your family. Thanks so much for watching.